If you want to quickly clean up your videos in CapCut PC, trim out unwanted parts, and cut away mistakes with a few easy tools, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to trim and cut video in CapCut PC, step by step, so you can edit faster and make your videos look more polished without any confusion. This is perfect whether you are a beginner or you just want a simple workflow that saves time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project you already want to edit. The first thing you need to do is bring in your video file. Look at the top left media panel and click Import. Then browse your computer, select the video you want to edit and click Open. Once the file appears in your media library, simply click and drag it straight down onto the timeline. This is where all your editing will happen, and now your clip is ready to trim and cut. Now let's start with trimming the start or the end of your clip. This is one of the easiest ways to remove extra footage. Click once on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. Then move your mouse cursor over the thick left edge if you want to trim the beginning, or the thick right edge if you want to trim the end. When your cursor changes into a line with double arrows, that means you are in the right spot. Click, hold and drag inward to shorten the clip. If you drag from the left side, you remove the beginning. If you drag from the right side, you remove the ending. This is a very fast way to clean up your footage when you just want to remove a little extra at the start or finish. If you want more precision, CapCut also gives you a shortcut method. Move the vertical playback line, also called the playhead, to the exact frame where you want your clip to begin or end. This is great when you need a more accurate cut. Once the playhead is in position, press Q to delete everything to the left of the playhead, or press W to delete everything to the right. This shortcut can save a lot of time, especially when you are editing longer videos or working through multiple clips. It is one of the fastest ways to trim with precision in CapCut PC. Next, let's talk about cutting out the middle of a video. This is the method you will use when there is a mistake, a pause, a cough, or any section you do not want in the final edit. First, move the playhead to the exact frame where the unwanted section starts. Then press Ctrl+B on Windows or CMD+B on Mac to split the clip into two separate parts. After that, move the playhead to the exact frame where the unwanted section ends. Press Ctrl+B again or CMD+B on Mac to make a second split. Now the section you want to remove is isolated in the middle. Click on that middle clip, then press backspace or delete on your keyboard to remove it instantly. That unwanted part is gone, and your video will now play smoothly from one section to the next. This cutting method is especially useful when you want to remove dead space, bloopers, or any part that slows down your video. You can repeat this process as many times as needed throughout your project. Just keep moving the playhead, splitting the clip, and deleting the sections you do not want. With a little practice, this becomes one of the most efficient ways to edit in CapCut PC. A helpful tip is to zoom in on your timeline if you want even more accuracy. That makes it easier to see the exact frame where you want to split or trim. You can also play your video back after each cut to make sure the edit feels smooth. If something is off, you can always undo and try again. The more you practice, the faster trimming and cutting will feel. So to recap, the basic workflow is simple. Import your video, drag it to the timeline, trim the beginning or end by dragging the clip edges. Use Q and W for quick precision trimming, and use Ctrl+B or CMD+B to split out the middle sections you do not want. Then delete the unwanted part, and keep editing until your video looks clean and professional. If this CapCut PC tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy editing guides, beginner tutorials, and time-saving workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.